everybody. This is Delinda, Independent Scentsy Director, and I just wanted to come to you and tell you why, as a consultant, you should be enrolled in either the Scent of the Month Club or the Warmer of the Month Club, and what that means. Actually, these are perks that we as consultants get that the customers can't get, and the value is so wonderful. I just want to show you what all you're going to get. First of all, if let's just talk about the Scent of the Month for now. What that means, it costs $30. If you enroll, it'll be taken out by the 15th of the month, and you'll get it shipped, within probably 5 days to a week, and you'll have it before it begins to be the Scent of the Month for the next month. So it'll give you time to make some samples or do whatever you want or promote it before the month starts. So what do you get in the Scent of the Month? Well, you get 9 of the Scent of the Month bars. So that's a $54 value or $56 value right there. And, or is it 54? 6 times 9, $54 value right there. All right. All right, so then the kit costs $30. You've already gotten ahead, right? Oh, but we're not through. You also get the $8 room spray. And for promotional purposes, you're going to get the party size tester and the mini tester of the Scent of the Month. You're also going to get 50 of these very nice monthly brochures that tell about the monthly special and also about the Scent of the month and describes it and the Warmer of the month. These are very nice. They go into legal size envelopes to mail out to your customers. Then you actually get 72 rub and smell stickers. So you can actually put some of these rub and smell stickers inside here and send it in the mail to your customers to let them know what the Scent of the Month is that's coming up or in that month. So also I'll give you a little tip. When I make my samples, first of all, my very first bar goes into my house. It is for me to smell, to me to enjoy, and it's mine. I use 3 bars to make samples for the month, to hand out to my customers, to put in their orders, and maybe host, well, I'll tell you what, okay, that takes care of 4. That leaves me 5 bars. Okay, that right there is still $35, and I've already got samples, I've already enjoyed it myself, and it's still less than I paid for the kit. Plus I got a room spray, and I've got all these other things. If I wanted to sell all the rest, I'm still making a profit. One thing I haven't mentioned is you also get paid commission. You actually get PRV for purchasing a Scent of the Month kit. Now, if you are not enrolled and it's past the 15th, you have up until the 28th of the month to enroll and you'll still get it. As long as it's by the 28th in that month, you'll get the one that we're getting, that we got on the 15th for the next month. I hope that's not confusing to you. But anyway, so it's a great, really a wonderful perk for consultants to get all this stuff at such a great deal. So now, what is the Warmer of the Month? It is everything I just showed you. You get everything that comes in the Scent of the Month, but you also get the Warmer of the Month. Now, the Warmer of the Month is wonderful to have because you get to show everybody what the warmer is for that whole month that you're in, so that, because if they see it, they're more likely to purchase it. Or maybe it's something you want for yourself. It's also, you're going to get PRV on that. So that is a great perk. And depending on the warmer is the price of the warmer of the month. And you actually, like if it's like right now, I think I paid $60 for this warmer and the scent of the month kit, so the whole thing. And this is going to be, that was a $35 warmer value that I got in my kit. I paid $60 for it, and I'm getting everything plus PRV. Now, one of the things I want you to know is if you are enrolled in, say, the scent of the month only, and you want to upgrade it on your accounts tab to the warm of the month and get everything, you can do that up until the 15th if you're already enrolled in something. Before they take it out, you can upgrade, but you can also downgrade. Say you don't want the warmer of the month that month, you just want the scent of the month. Then you can downgrade to the scent of the month. But you guys, there is no reason whatsoever that you all shouldn't be taking advantage of this, because you can actually nearly double your money on the scent of the month kit, still doing everything that I showed you and getting paid commission. So it's a very wonderful perk and an advantage that you should be taking full advantage of, because like I said, you can make samples, and if your customers smell it, you will sell it. And it doesn't matter if you like the scent or not, somebody is. So anyway, do take advantage of the scent of the month and the warmer of the month. It's just, like I said, a wonderful perk, and you can't go wrong. Just wanted you to know about that. Bye-bye.